Alright, smooth this over. Yeah, cool. What is going on, guys? This is your boy Richhitz, man, Book Richhitz, back at you guys again with another video. And of course, it's Tuesday, Photoshop Tutorial Tuesdays. Today's tutorial is going to be an RGB split when it comes to your portraits or just your simple photos that you guys take on your cell phones that you guys kind of want to add some variation to. And if you're new here, guys, go ahead and hit that sub button down below and make sure you click that bell so you guys get notified every time I drop a video just like this. So with that pick, man, it's really simple to create that effect in Photoshop. It only takes you 2 steps just to create that effect. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that in Photoshop. Alright guys, so we're currently in Photoshop. I already took the liberty of opening up the photo that I'm going to be using to do this effect on. You have your photo right here. So the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to right click, then you're going to click on duplicate layer. Just hit OK. And a shortcut for that is going to be Command J. Alright, so of course you have 2 layers right here. Alright, now what we're going to do, let's just bring the opacity down just a little bit. I'd say about to 60%, 65%, just so we can see what we're moving. And what you're gonna do is just move it over slightly to the left or to the right, pretty much whatever works for you. You can move it up or down, honestly, too. So let's go ahead and move that over. Then let's go ahead and double click the top layer. And if you're looking, you see you have channels. So you have R, G, and a B channel. You can play with them. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click the R channel, which is gonna be for red, and we're gonna turn it off. And of course you can click and move. You already see that effect taking place. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Hopefully it worked out for you. Hopefully it gives you some variation to add to your portraits or just to have fun with playing around in Photoshop, man. Until next time, peace.